With the popularity of home computers and electronics, many homeowners are now buying these power strips, which allow you to plug in several pieces of equipment from one location.
These are real handy, Joe, but it's not that easy to mount with the slots that you have on the back. It's pretty hard to determine exactly where those screws need to go.
You're right, because the problem with these keyhole slots is that once you hold the outlet strip in position, there's no way of knowing exactly where the screw locations are. But here's a trick that works without having to measure exactly where to drill the holes, because you can see if you don't line it up exactly, you won't get the screw into the slot. What you need to do is take a plain piece of paper and a pencil and just hold the paper tight along the back of the power strip. And you're going to feel for the, there you go, you can almost see them just by rubbing it, but once you find the location of the keyhole slot, just rub your pencil on it and you get a really clear outline of the slot and the hole itself, which is where we want to mark the screws. There you go. Now just take this, hold it in position, and you can use an awl to mark the center of the screws.
Okay, I'll mark the big part of it there.
Yeah, right in the middle of the screw hole itself.
And there.
Then once you remove it, that's exactly where we
Oh, that's great. That's perfect.
drive in the screw.